Our energy source is biomass. Biomass requires things to be burned to create electricity. The things that need to be burned are trees, wood chips, animal waste, and more. Biomass is renewable.
How is biomass used? A biomass plant takes in trees and makes wood chips. This then can be burned and is used as energy. From the plant, it releases CO2 into the atmosphere, but all these plants take in CO2. This prevents extra CO2 from going into the atmosphere like coal. All this energy is transferred to homes and lights up your house. Some of the materials that biomass uses are scrap lumber, forest debris, certain crops, manure, and trash. This is taking some unwanted materials and turning it into energy. Where is biomass best used? Some of the best places are full of wildlife and trash. These places include Brazil, China, Kenya, and India. All these places are great to use biomass. This is because of the amount of trash slash waste and wildlife in the land. Biomass creates 75% of Kenya's electricity, 50% of India's, 33% of China's, and 25% of Brazil's.
There are benefits for using biomass. One benefit is that it is carbon neutral. It doesn't produce an excess amount of CO2, which leads to less pollution. Another benefit is that it is renewable. Biomass materials will never run out. The third benefit of biomass is that it is cost effective. It doesn't take that much money to build biomass stations.
Disadvantages of biomass. Biomass leads to environmental loss. To collect the amount of lumber needed, you need to clear a big chunk of the forest. This leaves animals without any homes. It also requires a lot of space to create the factories. This also leaves animals without homes. Another disadvantage is water supply. All plants need a great deal of water. This means our water sources must be abundant. If we can't supply enough water, irrigation systems would have to be made, which proves to be very costly. If irrigation will also limit the supply of water to humans and other wildlife. As you can see, biomass is a very interesting way to produce energy. Hopefully we will find more efficient and eco-friendly ways to improve this renewable energy source. The end.